The Manage Lessons screen is where you craft your lessons for use throughout MRX. Lessons can be added, deleted, copied, modified, moved, resequenced, activated, or inactivated on this screen. To customize lessons, click on the Administration menu at the top and then select Manage Lessons. The screen initially appears blank, but my eyes are drawn to the two tabs in the top left corner: Add, Update My Lessons, or Copy Selected Lessons into My Classroom. We'll talk about these more in a moment, but it's totally up to you on how you would like to utilize these two options. Some teachers use the Add, Update My Lessons tab to build their lessons from scratch. Some teachers use the Copy Selected Lessons into My Classroom tab to explore other curriculums and adapt approaches from teachers around the world. You have freedom to choose the former, the latter, or any combination of the two. But whichever method you choose, we do recommend that you at least explore some classrooms to gather ideas on how to best organize lessons. It is perhaps even more important that you understand the way you organize these lessons in your mind. This will significantly impact the way you interact with MRX. This screen deserves great attention to detail to ensure that you are comfortable retrieving, interpreting, and presenting these lessons in the classroom. But first, let's talk a little bit about what lessons mean. Lessons are defined as any Montessori materials that teachers present to students. They can also be activities like writing a research paper or homework assignments. Most simply, lessons are any activity or behavior a teacher wants to track in MRX. To view lessons in your classroom that have already been copied from another class or added from scratch, use the Area pull-down menu in the top left corner to select an area. I already have areas built with lessons in them for the most part in my classroom, so I'll show you an example. I now see the lessons populated within the sensorial area. And lessons are organized in a hierarchy of 4 levels from broadest to most specific. Area from the drop-down menu, topic, which is slightly more specific, presentation and materials, which is usually the material you use to present, and then even more specific than that is the actual lesson title. These levels are available to help you organize your lessons in a meaningful way. How you define the 4 levels for a lesson will also help you narrow down your search if you have many lessons in one area when you record progress. You'll notice that these are also in ascending sequential order indicated with this column and the associated numbers. Sequence is important so that you know which lesson might be coming up in the near future and you have this as a guide. These lessons, which I'll scroll through slowly, are just one example of how to craft and organize lessons. You can find these exact lessons under the Copy Selected Lessons into My Classroom tab, under the AMS list of lessons that I'll show you in another video. Finally, please notice the action buttons in the lower portion of this screen. These reveal many of the functions available when crafting an organized lesson set. Please find the appropriate video to learn more about each feature so that you feel comfortable with your lesson set and are ready to use these in the classroom and in MRX.